Ever pondered the swirling misconceptions about the nutritional value of beef? It's high time we demystify the cloud of confusion surrounding this popular protein source. First off, beef is a rich source of high-quality protein, an essential nutrient that aids in the growth and repair of body tissues. A 3-ounce serving of lean beef provides about 22 grams of protein, nearly half the recommended daily intake for most adults. But the nutritional value of beef isn't limited to protein alone. Beef also packs in a significant amount of vitamins and minerals. It's a powerhouse of B vitamins, including B12, niacin, and riboflavin, all of which play a vital role in energy production and brain health. Did you know that beef is one of the best dietary sources of iron? Iron in beef is heme iron, a form that our bodies absorb more efficiently than the non-heme iron found in plant foods. Iron deficiency can lead to anemia, a condition that results in fatigue and weakness. Including beef in your diet can help prevent this. Now let's not forget about zinc. This essential mineral, abundant in beef, supports the immune system and helps in wound healing. A 3-ounce serving of beef provides about 7 milligrams of zinc, nearly half the recommended daily intake. But wait, there's more. Beef contains a substantial amount of selenium, a potent antioxidant that protects your cells from damage. It also provides other nutrients like phosphorus, which is crucial for bone health, and vitamin D, which helps regulate calcium and maintains proper bone structure. Of course, it's worth noting that beef also contains saturated fat and cholesterol, which have often given it a bad reputation. However, the type and cut of beef determine its fat content. Lean cuts of beef, like sirloin steak or eye of round roast, have less fat and are healthier choices. So, what's the takeaway from all this? Beef, particularly lean cuts, is a nutrient-dense food that provides a wide range of essential nutrients. It's an excellent source of high-quality protein, iron, B vitamins, and zinc. However, like any other food, moderation is key. Combining beef with a variety of other foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains will ensure a balanced and nutritious diet. Remember, nutrition isn't just about counting calories or eliminating certain foods from your diet. It's about understanding the value each food brings to the table and making informed choices. So the next time you find yourself in the meat aisle, consider the nutritional punch that beef can pack into your meals.